It requires specialized expertise and significant investment. Additionally, there is a growing shortage of skilled professionals with the right combination of semiconductor engineering and AI expertise. Addressing this talent gap is crucial for the continued growth and success of AI in the semiconductor industry. This requires investments in education and training programs that equip engineers with the necessary skills. Collaboration between industry and academia is also essential to bridge the knowledge gap and foster innovation. Section 4. AI in Action, From Design to Your Device. AI is revolutionizing semiconductor manufacturing. AI optimizes chip layouts for performance and efficiency. This results in smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient chips. AI simulates processes, refining them virtually. It predicts maintenance needs, minimizing downtime. AI detects flaws, ensuring only perfect chips proceed. This boosts yield and overall efficiency. Section 5. The future is intelligent AI's next moves in chips. As AI technology evolves, expect groundbreaking advancements in semiconductor manufacturing. AI-powered materials discovery is an exciting development. AI can identify innovative materials with enhanced characteristics for chip fabrication. This leads to chips with higher performance and lower power consumption. AI-driven chip design automates complex processes. Engineers can focus on innovation and problem-solving. AI-enabled autonomous manufacturing is another frontier. Factories with AI-powered robots and minimal human intervention will revolutionize the industry. Section 6. The promise of AI-powered chips. The future of semiconductor manufacturing is intricately linked with the advancement of AI. As AI technology continues to evolve, it will further revolutionize the way chips are designed, manufactured, and utilized. This will lead to the creation of ever more powerful, efficient, and intelligent devices that will shape our world in profound ways. The collaboration between AI and semiconductor technology holds immense promise for the future. It will drive innovation, enhance productivity, and unlock new possibilities in countless fields. From healthcare to transportation, from communication to entertainment, AI-powered chips will be at the heart of it all, enabling us to address some of the world's most pressing challenges and create a better future for everyone.